In this video, I'll show you how to create a blurry background for your photos using Canva. This simple technique, often called the bokeh effect, helps your subject stand out and gives any photo a professional, polished look. Let's get started. Begin by opening the image you want to edit in Canva. Choose a photo where your subject is clearly visible. This will help you get the best results once the background is blurred. Once your image is loaded, click on it to open the editing tools. Next, locate the edit option on the toolbar. This is where you'll find all the adjustment features you need. Take a second to get familiar with these tools. They're incredibly useful for quick and effective edits. Now, the key tool we're using today is Magic Grab. This feature is great for isolating specific elements in your image, like people, products, or objects you want to keep in focus. Select Magic Grab, then click directly on your subject. This tells Canva exactly which part of the image you want to stay sharp. Once you've selected your subject, press Grab to lock it in place. This step keeps your subject intact while we work on the rest of the image. You'll notice Canva automatically separates the person or main object from the background, giving you more control during the next steps. Now, click on the background area, any part of the photo that isn't your subject. Go back to the edit panel and look for the blur option. This is where you'll create that soft, out of focus background. You can adjust the blur intensity by sliding the control to the right or left. Move it slowly until you reach the effect you want. For subtle depth, use a light blur. For a more dramatic studio-style look, increase the blur a bit more. The goal is to create separation between the background and your subject without making it look artificial. If you want to take it a step further, try using the highlight feature to make your subject stand out even more. It slightly brightens and sharpens the main area, which can really enhance focus. When you're happy with the result, make sure to save your work. You can download your photo in any format you like, PNG for online use or JPG if you're posting to social media. And that's it. You've just created a smooth, professional-looking blurry background right inside Canva. It's quick, easy, and a great way to make your photos look more refined. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva editing tips and design tricks. I will see you in the next video. Happy editing.